Hey, it's James Potenza, that New Home Realtor. We're back out at Meridiana, and we're at a Highland home, and we're going to do their smaller section, well, relatively smaller. It's their 50-foot section, and we're just going to walk through. This one is in the, they're just about done. They're finishing up the final trim, and we do this for all of our clients that are buying a home with us. This is not even the last stage. We got one more final stage. With the construction manager. They'll walk through, check everything off, and then they'll go through, typically with blue tape, and mask anything off that you think that needs to be absolutely perfect. So let's take a look at this one and see what we can find. All right, so let's walk right up here. This is where all of your mechanical is. So Highland Homes, they put top of the line Trane HVAC systems. So that'll be the furnace right there. That's the evaporator coil. The evaporator coil lines go out to the Trane system outside. And you can see way up there, you'll see the little box with lights on it. That's your zone control computer, and it balances the house. Those things are pretty smart. They've got temperature sensors around that monitor the temperature of different parts of the house, and they'll adjust flapper valves or solenoid valves. That little white valve right there, it's an electric valve, and it opens and closes dampening systems for balancing the system. Radiant barrier, tech shield. That stuff works really good. And they'll have plenty of blown in insulation. See the measurement? I love Highland Homes, and we've walked through multiple times. This one is 98% complete. They're finishing up the trim, the workers are here. Just the little details. And they'll come back after blue taping this thing, and they'll finish it up and make it absolutely perfect. But look at this kitchen area. Isn't that gorgeous? Opens up to the living area, fireplace, super high ceiling. There's master bathroom. Nice garden tub. Take a peek outside. You get a pretty good sized yard. I mean, that's certainly big enough to put a pool. Not bad for a 50-foot size lot. Sweet. There's your back patio. Plenty of room. You can put an outdoor kitchen there. Put a TV against the wall. Nice. So here's a nice look of the entire living area. All right, let's go take a look upstairs. All right, so we just walked up the stairs. There's your front door. And you have pretty nice high ceilings even up here. So you'll have a return vent there, and this opens up to the living area. But we'll talk about those return vents here. So they have what's called media filters. A lot of builders do this. If they don't, then they should. But they don't have filters in there. The filter is up into the system. We'll actually take a peek up there and take a look at it. But in every room, you're going to have a return as well. So you'll have a return there, and again, no filters, and that goes back to the air conditioner or heater in this case. And then that's where the air comes out. So they'll have that in every room, and what it does is it helps balance the system, especially if you have a one air conditioning unit and a two-story house. Just another bedroom. And again, a return vent over there. Okay. And linen closet, and then the shared bathroom. Nice and neat. I love this floor plan. I believe this is their model. We might take a video of that over there. All right, so we're back outside of the attic. We were just in there, so hope that it was educational. There's a lot of stuff in there that a lot of people don't know about. As they're building the homes, I actually go up there and look at them and make sure that they're working right. So yeah, we do this with all of our clients as they're going through the complete construction phase, starting with the slab, the framing, sheetrock, everything. We do videos for you guys, just mostly for your benefit, you know, so you'll see these things as they're being built. And if you can't come out here and take a look at the house as it's being built, well, just look on YouTube and you can watch your house. All right, we'll see you guys.